I think that's the Tcs Exhaust. Let's look at it real quick and we'll see. All right, guys, we got the exhaust. We got the exhaust. Ooh. All right, guys, exhaust is off. And let's go ahead and remove TCS exhaust. And I also got the TCS intake. And here we go, Grandpa. Dile algo ahí a la cámara ahí, papá.
Aquí como todos los días, como tres patines.
And I'm still kind of upset because there was a storm a few days ago and something hit here. I don't know if you can tell, but it hit the whole thing. And you see, something fell on top of it. And yeah, I don't know, but we'll see. All right, guys, let's see TCS exhaust. Here we go. All right, here we go. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. What? Papá, mira, este sí que está bacano ahora. Woo. Look at this baby. All right, guys, let's go ahead and install the mid pipe, and then we'll come to the exhaust. Be right back. All right, guys, we got the mid pipe installed, and here we got the exhaust. TCS exhaust, eBay exhaust. Damn, it's like twice the size. Damn. All right, guys, let's see how it looks. Let's install it. All right, guys, exhaust is installed. I love it. I removed the Racer X intake and I'm installing the TCS intake because I think it looks better. And yeah, this is what we got. Engine is super dirty. And yeah, guys, but it's been fun. And yeah, only little thing I'm not kind of happy is just the fact that I guess shipping, I guess the box that they were, I don't know, most likely shipping, because UPS here sucks, man, and I know I need a haircut. But anyways, hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in Bear Mountain. If you're going to Bear Mountain, don't forget to comment below and let me know that you're going to Bear Mountain. So when I see you, I'll be like, yo, what up? Okay. Anyways, dale, guys.